Yes, good morning, friends. You are watching chemistry online classes here, Lomesh Sharma. After the reaction and mechanism of SN1 and SN2 reaction, okay, nucleophilic substitution reaction. These are some examples of nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, the first reaction, which one is related to nucleophilic substitution reaction, is synthesis of alkyl cyanide. Okay, you know very well cyanides are CN and the word alkyl is related to RCN. Okay, alkyl cyanides, synthesis of alkyl cyanides. Okay, listen carefully, these are the chemical reactions which are related to nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, which we were discussed, okay, in before class. When KCN reacts with alkyl halide, it gives alkyl cyanide, KCN potassium cyanide. RX react with KCN, okay, KCl is removed here and form RCN, alkyl cyanide. Just like here, this one is example, CH3Cl react with KCN, KCl is removed and is formed methyl cyanide, CN. Okay, methyl cyanide is formed. This methyl cyanide is formed. The IUPAC name of cyanides are nitriles. So the IUPAC name of CH3CN is ethane nitrile. Okay, its name is ethane nitrile. Now methyl cyanides were formed given following the reactions. Clear? What are the main important reactions of methyl cyanides? CH3CN, that is a CH3CN, which one is prepared here. Now after the hydrolysis, complete hydrolysis, the meaning of hydrolysis is reaction with water. If we react any substance with water, that reaction is known as hydrolysis reaction. These are the types of reactions, hydrolysis reaction. So when CH3CN react with twice H2O, okay, in the presence of dilute HCl, it form acetic acid plus NH4Cl, that is NH4Cl, and acetic acid is formed vinegar. Acetic acid is formed after the hydrolysis of CN. These reactions are very important for conversion. Okay, so after the hydrolysis of CN, it gives acetic acid. This reaction is a complete hydrolysis reaction. Clear? Now second reaction, partial hydrolysis. That is a reaction which one is known as partial hydrolysis. That is a complete hydrolysis, but now that is a partial hydrolysis. The amount of water is not very large. When CH3CN, okay, after the partial hydrolysis of methyl cyanide, it gives amide, CH3CONH2. These are amides, RCONH2. Here RCONH2, that group is CONH2 group is known as amide. Okay, so R group is alkyl group. Here R is CH3, so its name is ethanamide. Okay, its IUPAC name is ethanamide. So after the complete hydrolysis, it gives acetic acid. After the partial hydrolysis, it gives ethanamide. That means amide compound is formed. The functional group is amide. Next reaction, CH3CN. Okay, now the reduction reaction, partial reduction reaction and complete reduction reaction. Just like partial hydrolysis and complete hydrolysis, these are the partial reduction reaction and complete reduction reaction. Okay, these two reactions are also name reactions. That one is known as a Stephan reaction. Okay, based on scientist name, Stephan reaction. That means when CH3CN reacts with tin chloride, here is plus, okay, tin chloride, when react with tin plus HCl, okay, in the presence of H3O plus, that means in the presence of H3O plus coming in the presence of acid. Okay, when CH3CN react with tin plus HCl, it gives acetaldehyde. मतलब कि it gives CH3CHO, acetaldehyde, it gives acetaldehyde. Okay, that is aldehyde group. CHO group is aldehyde group. So that reaction is known as Stephan reaction. Again I repeat, you have to write here that what is the Stephan reaction. When methyl cyanide react with tin plus HCl in the presence of acid, weak acid, it gives acetaldehyde. That is a Stephan reaction and that is a partial reduction, not complete reduction. Now what is the complete reduction reaction? When CH3CN reacts with C2H5OH plus Na, again here plus is there, C2H5OH plus Na, ethyl alcohol in sodium. Okay, sodium in ethyl alcohol, that is known as alcoholic sodium. When CH3CN react with sodium plus ethanol, it gives amine CH3CH2NH2. It gives amine. Okay, amine meaning if NH2 group is present, this functional group is present, any compound, that is known as amine. So its name is ethanamine because two carbon atoms are there, so it is known as ethanamine. Okay, so these are the important reaction of methyl cyanide. Which one is formed here? Synthesis of alkyl cyanide. Okay, again, if CH3CN after the complete hydrolysis of CH3CN, it gives acetic acid. Partial hydrolysis of CH3CN, it gives ethanamide. Partial reduction of CH3CN, it gives acetaldehyde, and complete reduction of CH3CN, it gives ethanamine. Here two are name reaction, Stephan reaction and Mendius reaction. Okay, this last one reaction is known as Mendius reaction. Complete reduction of CH3CN is known as Mendius reaction, and it gives CH3CH2NH2. Again, here is primary amine, 1 degree amine is there. Okay, so that is known as Mendius reaction and Stephan reaction. Next reaction, synthesis of alkyl isocyanide. First of all, what is the difference between cyanide and isocyanide? Cn is cyanide and Nc is known as isocyanide. Okay, Cn is isocyanide, that is the isomer of this cyanide, which one is known as Nc, isocyanide. Clear? So that is the cyanide and isocyanides. Now, when AgCN reacts with alkyl halide, it gives alkyl isocyanide. Okay, silver cyanide, AgCN reacts with Rx, it gives RNC, and AgX is removed here. That means when methyl chloride CH3Cl react with AgCN, this AgCl is removed here. Okay, AgCl, white PPT of AgCl is obtained and CH3NC is obtained. The main compound is CH3NC. Okay, again the main compound is alkyl isocyanide. Cn is cyanide and Nc is isocyanide. Okay, alkyl isocyanide gives primary amine by the hydrolysis and secondary amine by reduction process. Okay, CH3NC, methyl isocyanide. Okay, after the reduction of methyl isocyanide, okay, it gives dimethylamine, CH3NHCH3. Okay, dimethylamine after the reduction of methyl isocyanide. Okay, and after the hydrolysis of methyl isocyanide, it gives CH3NH2COOH. Here is plus. It gives methylamine, that is another compound, that is another compound. Two compounds are obtained here after the hydrolysis of methyl isocyanide. First one is methanamine, second one is formic acid HCOOH. So what is the important? That is, after the reduction it gives secondary amine, and after the hydrolysis it gives primary amine. Okay, these are the two important reactions of methyl isocyanide. So these are the synthesis of alkyl cyanide and synthesis of alkyl isocyanide. Clear? These are the nucleophilic substitution reaction where the Cn is acts as a nucleophile. Okay, and here again the Cn is acts as nucleophile. So these are the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next reaction, KCN and isocyanides, potassium cyanide and potassium isocyanide forms AgCN as follows. Okay, that means KCN is an ionic compound. By ionization process it liberates cyanide ion, Cn minus ion. Okay, which one acts as a nucleophile? Okay, as an attacking nucleophile. Very good. In cyanide ion, carbon atom is a nucleophilic center point. Okay, in Cn, carbon is a nucleophilic center point. Okay, negative charge is present on carbon atom, hence gives alkyl cyanide. AgCN is a polar covalent compound. and nitrogen atom is a lone pair of electron. Therefore, nitrogen atom acts as a nucleophile center and gives isocyanide. Two things are there. Two things are there. That means, where is this? If KCN react with a compound, it gives KCN react with a compound, it gives because in KCN ionic bond is present here, but in AgCN covalent bond is present here. So after the reaction of KCN, it gives cyanide compounds, and after the reaction of AgCN, it gives isocyanide compounds. Okay, CN, if any alkyl halide, if any RX reacts with KCN, it always formed RCN. Okay, listen again, I repeat, if RX react with KCN, it always formed RCN, but if RX reacts with AgCN, okay, it always formed RNC, matlab isocyanide. Why? Okay, that means RX react with RX plus KCN, it gives RCN. But instead of KCN, if RX react with AgCN, okay, it gives RNC. Why? Because KCN is in KCN ionic bond is present here, but in AgCN covalent bond is present here. Okay, so by the bond difference, potassium cyanide and silver cyanide, the product is by this RCN and by this RNC. Okay, next reaction is synthesis of alcohol. Synthesis of alcohol. How can the alcohol is formed? RX react with alcohol, alkyl halide react with alcohol, KOH in aqueous form. Okay, alcoholic KOH. Okay, synthesis of alcohol, then KX is removed here and ROH is formed, alcohol is formed. That reaction is also in the formation of alcohols in alcohol chapter, in next chapter. Just like CH3CH2Cl react with KOH, it gives CH3CH2OH and KCl is removed. Okay, listen, that is a aqueous KOH. The different KOH is alcoholic KOH. Okay, now here is only aqueous KOH. So when aqueous KOH react with ethyl chloride, it gives ethyl alcohol and KCl is removed here. Okay,